What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, yesterday was a good day trying to get this paint booth ceiling all put together, the ceiling vent. I'll give you guys a quick shot of it real quick. That's what we were able to get done yesterday. Now what we need to do is we have this angle iron trim right here that we need to run across the top just to give it a nice clean look, kind of like on the bottom right here. And it's going to keep the water from getting on top of that styrofoam that's inside these aluminum panels. So that's what we'll be doing today, is getting that ran. I'm gonna wait for Chris to get here, and when we do, we got these panels, or when he does get here, we got these panels that we can put, it's actually the roof of this entire thing. You can see there's a ton of these pieces right here, and that makes up the entire roof of this paint booth. We gotta get it all watertight so that way the water doesn't get on it. To be honest, I don't even know if this thing can really sit outside in the rain, but we'll find out. I wasn't gonna put 500 square feet inside the shop, so, but that's where we're at right now. Stay tuned and we'll keep you guys updated.
Can't whip in there and pick it up. I was like, what is he doing?
I didn't even think about that.
Look at all that water coming out. Right?
Oh. Oh.
All right. So we'll just grab these and drag them one at a time and kind of get them up into there. And
Yep. I'll have like an hour too.
this is the part I'm dreading.
This part?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't like it. Just being up high, all the rest of it.
You.
What?
I'm really the one that's scared of heights.
I'm not scared of heights. I'm just scared of fucking falling.
All right, guys, it's a wrap. Today's video went good. Obviously, we have to screw this side down. You saw us caulk the other side, and Chris screwed the little roof panels down. Well, you can see what it looks like inside.
Just in time too. There's some sprinkles coming out.
Are there?
Yep.
So here it is. Chris got a quick little video earlier, but got done. Wasn't too bad, but
we'll see how tight it is.
yeah, we're gonna test it out.
We've got rain the next 2 days. Today, starting about now, about noon, and then tomorrow all day. So we'll see how it holds up. Obviously, nothing can really be hurt. There's no electronics or anything else in here yet. So we'll see how this does, see where we need to finish up some of our sealant stuff. If anyone has any ideas, obviously we know this booth is not supposed to be outdoors, but we don't want to use up all of our real estate inside. So we're just kind of, you know, giving it a shot, see what happens. But if anyone has any experience, dealt with something like this before, let us know. If there were any tricks to make sure we are able to seal it up really well being outside. But I think that's it for today, right?
That's it.
All right.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys on the next one.